An ant's face is a marvel of biological engineering, finely adapted to its environment and social structure. On close inspection, it reveals a complexity that belies the ant's diminutive size. The most striking features of an ant's face are its compound eyes. These eyes are made up of numerous tiny lenses, or ommatidia, each capturing a fraction of the visual field. This arrangement grants ants a wide-angle view of their surroundings, crucial for navigation and foraging. However, the resolution of their vision is relatively low compared to humans. Ants rely more on other senses such as touch and chemical signals to interact with their environment. Nestled between the compound eyes are the ant's 3 ocelli, which are simple eyes. These are small and less noticeable but serve an important function in detecting light intensity and aiding in orientation, particularly in relation to the sun. This helps ants maintain the course during long foraging trips. Below the eyes lies a pair of antennae, which are highly versatile sensory organs. The antennae are elbowed, giving them a distinctive bent appearance. They are covered with a multitude of sensory receptors that allow ants to detect chemical cues, such as pheromones, which are essential for communication within the colony. The antennae also play a role in touch and temperature sensing, making them indispensable tools for exploring and interacting with the environment. The mouthparts of an ant are a complex array of structures that have evolved to suit their diverse dietary needs. The most prominent of these are the mandibles, which are powerful, scissor-like jaws that can be used for cutting, carrying, and even fighting. The shape and size of the mandibles vary widely among different ant species, reflecting their specific ecological roles. For instance, leafcutter ants have large, serrated mandibles designed for slicing through leaves, while soldier ants may have formidable, elongated mandibles adapted for defense. Supporting the mandibles are the maxillae and labium, which help manipulate food and aid in feeding. The labrum, a flap-like structure, acts as a sort of upper lip, helping to hold food in place while the ant chews. Below the labrum, the clypeus forms the front part of the face and often has a slightly convex shape. The clypeus also plays a role in protecting the delicate mouthparts and may house additional sensory receptors. An ant's face can be quite expressive, at least in terms of function. The arrangement and shape of its various components can tell us a lot about its lifestyle and behavior. For instance, species that primarily feed on liquids, such as nectar or honeydew, often have longer, more delicate mouthparts adapted for sipping, while those that are predators or scavengers have shorter, more robust structures suited for gripping and tearing. The cuticle, or exoskeleton, covering the ant's face is typically tough and provides protection against physical damage and dehydration. This outer layer is often adorned with fine hairs or setae, which can serve multiple purposes, including sensory functions and aiding in thermoregulation. In some species, the cuticle can be quite smooth and shiny, while in others it may be textured or even patterned, offering additional camouflage or signaling mechanisms. In addition to their practical functions, the features of an ant's face also play a crucial role in social interactions. Ants are highly social insects, and their ability to communicate effectively is vital for the survival of the colony. The face-to-face interaction often involves the exchange of chemical signals through grooming or trophallaxis, where ants feed each other by regurgitating food. These behaviors help maintain the social cohesion and hierarchy within the colony. The diversity among ant species means that there is considerable variation in facial features, reflecting their adaptation to different ecological niches. Some ants have highly specialized structures that cater to unique environmental challenges. Ants' faces, while minute, are a testament to the power of evolution and natural selection. Every feature, from the antennae to the mandibles, has been honed to perfection over millions of years, allowing ants to thrive in virtually every terrestrial habitat on Earth. Their ability to sense, communicate, and manipulate their environment with such small yet sophisticated structures is a fascinating subject of study in entomology. An ant's face is a microcosm of adaptability and efficiency. It embodies the intricate balance between form and function that characterizes the natural world. The compound eyes, ocelli, antennae, mandibles, and other mouthparts all work in unison to enable ants to perform their roles within their colonies and their ecosystems. This remarkable combination of sensory and mechanical features ensures that ants, despite their size, remain one of the most successful and resilient groups of organisms on the planet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.